Hey everyone, I am RHD Boyser. So today I will discuss the number sentences, or we will discuss about number sentences. But before we proceed to the whole discussions, can you please read the learning outcomes, Miss Arisga? Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Arisga. Is number sentences. Okay, so any idea that comes to your mind, everyone? Yes, it is correct, no? So, a number sentences. So, it is a statement that shows the relationship between two or more values. Okay, so number sentence is like a math story that use numbers and symbols to show a complete idea. So, it usually has numbers, math signs. So, ano nga yun? Ito yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so, and sometimes, an equal sign. Okay, so, the same lang po siya sa English, no? So, sa English is word sentence siya. Sa math po, na po siya sentence, but in a words or in a symbol. So, this is the way nga para ma-express ang full thoughts kung unsa ang buot ipasabot kung sa sentence pa or sa word sentence. Did you know, in National Capital Region, Quezon City has the largest land area. So it is followed by Caloocan City and Pasig City. Table nga ipatanaw nimo, okay, ninyo. Okay, so this table here is show that the distance from Quezon City to the next two big cities based on land area in NCR. Okay, so here, from Quezon City, how much farther is Pasig City than Caloocan City? Okay, so to find the answer, we may first have a number sentence which is para makuha na to ang answer. So, unsa may number sentence nga atong gamiton? So, unsa to? It is ang 17 and ang 14. So, unsa ganito ang gamiton nato nga symbols? It is a subtraction. Okay, so 17 minus 14. So, what do you think the answers? It is okay, so it is 3. Okay, so good job, everyone. By translating the questions into a number sentence, we can early find the relationship between the given data. Okay, so I know na some of you have a background. So, what is a number sentence? Okay, so this number sentences is mag-use togs division, subtraction, additions, and multiplications. And sometimes it is a equal sign. Okay, so everyone, I know na some of you have a knowledge to answer. Okay, so na ako'y pa-answera ninyo. So, once I call your name, so mag-answer mo kung unsay inyong ansira ninyo ang number sentence, kung unsa ang answers. Okay, so understand? Okay. Okay, so can you please answer number 1, Miss Nuhapa? Okay, so what do you think the answer, Miss Nuhapa? Okay, so your answer is, okay, so 7 plus 5 is equals, what do you think? Okay, so 12. Okay, so bigyan natin ng 4 claps si Miss Nuhapa. Okay, so number 2, can you please answer Miss Fernandez? Okay, so what do you think the answer for this? 44 minus 10. It is good job. It is 34. Okay, so another. Okay, so can you please answer Sir Hitutuwa? What is 5 times 4? What do you think? What do you think the answer? It is 20. Okay, sige job. Okay, so last, another is 35. Divide 5. Okay, so who want to answer this one? Okay, so Sir, okay, so Arman Alibangbang, can you please answer this number sentence? What do you think your answer? It is okay, so number Okay, so 5. Okay, so good job everyone. So naminaw jud ay mo. Okay, so and now I'm done to my discussion. So let's proceed to the next one.
So good day everyone, no? And this is my continuous discussions of group 16, your number sentences. So in this passage, I will give you more examples of number sentences. So let's try this. So given the sum of numbers, write at least 3 pairs dili na siya 5 of possible addends which are whole numbers. So para makuha na to ni siyang nasa ubos kining 12, 16, 28. So mangita tag mga possible addends nga which can result the whole numbers kanang 12, 16 and 28. So mo na siya ang mga possible addends or numbers. So sa 12, pagkuha na to sa 12 is mo na siyang itatag mga number na atong i-add na which can result the whole numbers. Pareha aning 1 plus 11 mo na siya 12, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 9, no? Na which can result the number 12. So same process pa rin sa 16 and 28. So mangita gyapon tag mga number na mag-result siya og result siya ana nga whole numbers. So let's proceed to the second. So what number should replace m in each number sentence to make it correct? So kanang sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na siya m diha. So m nagrepresent to unknown number or missing number. So muna atong pangitawon karon or atong isolve. So natay tips sa kilid gamay. So to solve these problems, we will very often use the opposite operation or inverse, mga kabaliktaran na operation. So muna siya ang mga answer. So today or this passage we need to figure out yun sa siya pagkuha sa answer. So number 1, m times 5 equals 225. So kung imo na siyang basahon ng tips diya sa kilid, we use the opposite operation. So the opposite operation of multiply is division. So ato na siyang isulat ng 225 divide 5. Ang answer na is 45. So the missing number sa number 1 is 45. So dire naman ta sa number 2. So 136 plus m equals 208. So sa akong giingon ganina, we use the opposite operation. So the opposite operation of addition is subtraction. So 208 tong isulat minus 136. Ito na siyang i-minus ng 2. Mo nang ang answer is 72. So the missing number of number 2 is 72. So dire na punta sa number 3. So 146 minus m equals 49. So dire murag lisod or malibog mo gamay. So nganong sir ang sa answer diya sir is minus man ang igamit or subtraction nga mogamit man ta og opposite operation. So, nga nini. So kung ang 146 i-plus na to sa 49, ang answer ana is 195. Tama ba? So kung atong ibutang ang missing number diha sa m o 195, so the total answer of that is 341. So dili siya magmatch or dili na to na makuha ng 49. Dili na to na siya makuha. So instead, we use subtraction gihapon. So 146 minus 49 equals 97. So the missing number there is 97. So 146 minus 97, so mo na siyang nag-result og 49. So dili ta mo gamit og addition, di ba? So malibog yun mo gamay. So sa number 4 naman po is m divide 14 equals 8, no? So the opposite operation of division is multiplication. So you write 8, no, multiplied by 14. So the answer is 112. So bisag the missing number of number 4 kanang m dia is 112. So sir, what if balihon na pod, no, ang kanang missing number, no? Ang missing number is kanana pong 14, di ba? So bisan pag bali-balihon na nato siya, diha ang answer maora gyapon, no? Bisan pag even you turn it upside down, no, that's still the answer. Bali-balihon gyapon nimo bisag kanang sa bisag kanang diha siya 1 2 3 4, basta kana siya tanan, bisan pag bali-balihon na nimo, maora gyapon na siya ang answer. So that's all for my examples, and I think Mr. Artuo, no, will give you more for.
Good day everyone, my name is Ray Forbes Artuo, and atong direction karon is find the missing number in the number sentence. So ang atong goal is to find n para mahimong true ang number sentence. So number 1, 2 plus n equal 24, divide 4. So atong buhaton, so first step is 24 divide 4 equals 6. Okay, so sunod atong buhaton is ang kaning 2 i-minus na to sa 6. So 6 minus 2 equal 4. So ang atong n number is, so atong n number is 4. So atong next example is number 2, n times 5 equal 35 minus 5. So atong unang buhaton is 35 minus 5 equal 30. So next is n times 5 equal 30. So to find n, i-divide mo ang 30 by 5. So n equal 30 divide 5. So atong n number is 6. So unta na sabta na ninyo n. Thank you so much.